Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload high quality videos on Facebook page. On Android, the process is slightly different because the menu icon is located on the top right hand corner rather than at the bottom. Here's how to upload a high quality video or photos to Facebook on Android. Tap the menu icon in the top right. Go to the Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section and select Media. To upload HD video, ensure Optimize is on. If you do prefer to upload HD video, we definitely recommended doing it over Wi-Fi, given the time and expense that can be involved with uploading a large file using your data. Once you've saved the settings, every video you post on Facebook via the mobile app will upload in the highest quality as long as your network is capable of doing so. When uploading photos or videos to Facebook using the mobile app, it defaults to standard quality. Frankly, most people would probably prefer to upload standard quality photos and videos, particularly if they're using their mobile data to do so. But if you're a pixel beeper and would rather upload the best quality possible, you can do that by changing a settings in the app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.